am I the only weirdo that keeps baby clothes? Because this is from Destiny, when Destiny was a baby. So these are Destiny. This is Jackson's. Jaxson and Destiny stuff is in here. These are the twins' bedding when they were a baby. So they had a baseball theme room. And I have the crib sheets. They're all dingy now because I've been storing them for years. So we have that for the twins, and then I have this blanket from Jason. I think he was like 4 or 5 when we got this from the hospital, because you know, every surgery they would give something. So we got this blanket from one of his surgery.
I thought I got it from a white room. It was like everything was white. There was like
the hospital.
Yeah,
the hospital. Yes. And then these are just blankets. Like this blanket right here belongs to Destiny. So this was Destiny's blanket. Your grandmother made you that blanket. And then what else? There's so many memories. Like this blanket right here belongs to the twins, because I have 2 of them.
Cause there's
2 of them. So if I have 2 of anything, it's the twins. And then I have more baby stuff down here. And then this was the twins. And I can't bring myself to get rid of. Like this was Jaxson.
That's nice.
He wore this to my brother's wedding.
Extra for that.
Yes, yep. And then this is Miss Destiny when she was a baby. Look at that.
Or something like that.
Oh, that was Destiny. Madison stuff is over there. Like these are all the stuff I'm keeping for Maddie. So this is all Maddie's, and then this is Jaxson. So hey. So that's my box of keepsake. When they get older, I'm gonna give it to them for their kids. So yeah. Do you guys keep baby stuff, or is it just me? Hey guys, so I haven't picked up the camera since I did my room upstairs. But I had to stop because my husband is getting ready to leave. He's gonna be gone for a few days for training out of town. Out of state, and it's like the first time that I will be away from him by myself with 5 kids, and I'm like getting ready to be. Oh, you like it? Yeah. Okay, so the plan is I'm not cooking dinner because I have 5 kids. They can eat cereal for dinner or breakfast for dinner. It's not a big deal. That's what I'm excited for. I'm excited to not cook, but at the same time I'm gonna miss my husband. Let's take a moment of silence to be sad. I'm so very sad. But anyways, so we're gonna decorate their little trees tonight and put it in their room and stuff, and watch TV, and then they go to bed because it's still a school night, you know. Still a school night, you know. Even though Daddy might be leaving, it's still a school night. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, so I got you guys each. The dog was licking that, so if you don't mind eating, ew, you're disgusting. You're disgusting.
It's not disgusting.
You're disgusting.
I can't get my own.
Okay, so I took this out and I was fluffing it. I fluffed it a little bit, so it's fluffed. So, and then I have more tree here, so you guys can. So what we're gonna do is pretend like it's a tree farm, and you guys are gonna come and pick out your own tree and stuff, and get your decorations and stuff to go. Daddy's packing up. I told Jordan that you were leaving because of him. He was so sad. Like, you still think Daddy's leaving because of you? I did. I spent his $10 to get him a tree.
See, you like the tree? And no one's getting my donuts because they were willing to share.
You gonna miss us?
There's extra.
You ain't gonna miss us. You have what you need in your hand.
No. Now I don't want to.
Where's Maddie? So I'm gonna go say bye. I'm gonna say bye to my hubby.
She's upstairs.
And get these kids this little activity going for the kids, and then clean up my house and call it a night. Yes, we gotta say goodbye. Did you say bye to Leah?
Yeah.
Leah, say bye to Daddy.
Say bye to everyone.
Give Daddy
Give me a kiss.
give Daddy kisses. Okay.
Spicy
All right.
noodles.
Let's pray. Leave my noodles alone. That's the children's dinner, Rob.
You know you have to wait.
Okay, say bye. Let's say bye to Daddy.
Bye.
Hold the door. Oh, Juju, get your butt back.
You
Get
got
your
your
butt
doggy?
back in the house.
You got your doggy?
You got your blankie? You have your blankie, babe?
No.
You don't need your little special blankie
To keep you warm
to keep you warm?
in your car.
You need blankie?
Blanket.
You want to say bye?
And you'll take pictures.
Huh?
And we'll take pictures.
Bye, baby.
No, ask Daddy. Ask him.
You said bye-bye?
Bye, baby.
Leave the dog. Leave the dog. I need 2 hands.
Why?
Because I'm trying to black the license plate. Bye. Love you. Drive safely. Let's go to the window. Let's go to the window.
Window.
Let's go to the window. Come on. Did he leave? Bye, Daddy. Bye. Come back to us. Oh, he's gone now. Garage. 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 He's gone, Mommy.
Happy.
Okay, guys, so hubby's gone. He has like a 4.5-hour drive. Juju, get down. It's a 4.5-hour drive, so it's like 3:30 now, almost 4. So I'm gonna go clean the house and then decorate the trees with the kids. I made cookies. I made cookies. I made cookies. Gio's not so happy.
Yeah.
Gio's sad, so he's right there. Right there. Where's my Gio? Where's my little Gio?
Teddy hut.
Hey. You want the camera? No? No? Okay.
Mommy.
I'll let him call him later. Jaxson is like ridiculously. Come on. Come. He's ridiculously really close to his dad, so of all the kids, he's the one that's taking it the worst. He's never been away from his dad. Makes my heart so sad. So I'm gonna go tend to that little guy, and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Guys, so I'm making sugar cookie for the kids to decorate.
Because if I put them on, it'll be harder for you to do one of your warm and caring high fives.
I already have this waiting to go in the oven. They're so perfect. We're gonna decorate them tomorrow. So I made the dough yesterday. Let it sit overnight for 8 hours. Like, this is how it looks. So it's not sticky. And then roll it out. And they're gonna bake, and then they have to cool for 24 hours so that you can decorate. And then that's gonna be it. Maddie, you wanna come help make Christmas cookie? Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. And then I have my Christmas cutouts here.
And
So it's just stocking, hat, the gloves. And then I have a bell. I have another little tree. I have a snowman. I haven't made a snowman. I have other ones like the angel.
yes.
Then I have the tree. I have a lot. Like I haven't even taken out the bin. So I'm gonna get these in the oven once that preheats. And then so.
Hey, get off.
Hey, leave her.
He's on your toes.
Leave her. Good morning. Slept like a baby. First night without hubby home. Slept like a baby. I woke up several times, but I wasn't, because the kids decided they wanted to sleep in my bed since Daddy's not home. I don't know what it is about, like if their other sibling is not home, they want to sleep with us. And I'm like, why? So they all slept in my bed except for the twins. They wanted to sleep on the floor, so I was like, whatever. So Destiny, Jaxson, and Madison slept in my bed with me. I was looking forward to having my bed to myself, just roll around in it by myself, but didn't happen. I just made lunch. They had breakfast. It's 7:14. Got 6 minutes to get out of here. 6 minutes. Put your shoes on. We gotta go.
I did.
I didn't realize that
Put your shoes on.
I started so late because I had to make my bed. That's one thing. It's not every day where I'm like, oh, I gotta make my bed. But majority of the time, I would say 90% of the time, I try to have my bed made. So yeah. Car started, we gotta go. I'm about to go put my pants on and get out of here. Guys, I forgot to show you guys how the cookie turned out. The kids already devoured it, and I saved a few for my husband because he's gonna come home today. But this is how they turned out. I tried to decorate them, but the icing, the royal icing that I made tasted like fragrance was in it, so I had to trash it. But this is what I made, and the kids enjoyed it. It was a hot mess. I'll try to do I'll try to do better next time, but this is all that's left because the kids devoured them. Like, they turned out so good, and I have to make more to fill up this jar because cookies do not last long in my house. Every time I bake sugar cookies for Christmas, they go through it the first day and it's done and gone. So I have to make more, and it takes me at least 3 days to make sugar cookies because I have to do the dough one day, put it to set overnight. I could do it early morning, but it's much funner in the evening. So I do it, let the dough sit for 8 hours, then the next day roll it out, bake it, and then let it cool off and then decorate it. It could take 2 days, 1.5 tops, but that's how I do Christmas cookies. So yeah. Okay guys, that's where I put the mini wreath right there, and then I tied in the buffalo onto those canisters so that it makes more sense. I think I'm gonna go have me some coffee and call this vlog it. The next video after, I think the first video going up for Vlogmas is a Christmas house tour. I'm trying to get everything done, and I'm excited. I'm excited to show you guys what I've been working on. So anyways guys, I have to put this video up, so thank you guys for watching. Oh, I'm trying out this new thing with my channel where I'm not posting lunch videos like I used to. I mean, I'm going to, but I want to get rid of, you know, a lot of subscribers that are not here to actually watch my channel. They're just here for lunch videos, so that's who I want to get rid of. Anyways guys, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, I know it's been a while. since I've been out here. I've been sick. But Hubby come home today. I know you guys are gonna see the vlog, and I chose to put it up today because he come home today. So I didn't want to put it up and then, you know, people are weird, try to figure out where I live and didn't show up. I don't know. So I just figured, you know, be by myself. I wouldn't advertise that my husband is away. I didn't even post. I think I posted on Instagram, but not a lot of people follow me on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I think it's here or over here. I'm gonna put it so you guys can come follow me. I do a lot of Insta stories and stuff. But anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna go edit the video for today, and then Vlogmas is tomorrow. I'm gonna do a decorate with me for Vlogmas. You guys are gonna see that tomorrow. And then the house tour is the Christmas house tour is gonna be up on my channel on Monday, so make sure you guys check that out. I'm about to go clean the house so it's like spotless. But anyways, I really have to go because I have to go charge my battery and get editing. So I will see you guys. Bye guys.